Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp stickers. So let's get started. But before we go that, please subscribe, it helps a lot. Thank you. Now let's open our WhatsApp. Now this is our WhatsApp. If you want to delete any sticker you do not want, just click on someone message. Okay, now just click on this. Now click on this sorry, let me show my tab. Now just click on this emoji button, and now these are your sticker. Just click on this, and this is it. Just double click on it and you say remove, which is also the delete. Just click on remove, and this is it. You've automatically removed the sticker from the WhatsApp. So if there's any sticker you don't like, you don't want, just do the process and you will automatically delete the stickers from the WhatsApp. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.